Question number 8 of exercise 13.2. A factory requires 42 machines to produce a given number of articles in 63 days. So there is a factory, it need 42 machines to make a particular article in 63 days. Now how many machines would be required to produce the same number of articles in 54 days? Now same number of articles are there, but the time duration is less now. They want the project to be done within 54 days. So now do they need the same number of machines or they need more number of machines? They need more number of machines to complete the work faster. So we have to find out how many more machines they need. Now earlier they were working with 42 machines and the time taken was 63 days. Now the time should be taken only 54 days. What is the number of machines they need? So let the number of machines be x2, because this is x1, x2, y1, y2. Now you know, more machines, less days, and less machines, it will take more days. So it is inversely proportional. So what formula you will use? The product of these two will be same. So x1 into y1, x2 into y2 is going to be constant. So use this formula to find the missing value. Question number 9 now. A car takes 2 hours to reach a destination by traveling at a speed of 60 km per hour. The car is traveling with a speed of 60 km per hour and reaches the destination in 2 hours. How long will it take when the car travels at the speed of 80 km? Now the speed is increased. The speed of the vehicle is increased. Now what do you think? It will take same time or less time? It will take less time now because the speed is increased. Earlier the speed was 60 km per hour and it was taking 2 hours to reach. Now the speed is 80 km per hour. So the time taken will be less now, because if speed is increasing, time will be less. It is inversely proportional. Apply this formula and find out the missing value. You just need to figure out what has been given in the question and what they are asking. So by making the table, it becomes very easy to do that. Question number 10 is, 2 persons could fit new window in a house in 3 days. One of the person fell ill before the work started. How long would the job take now? Now earlier there were 2 persons and it will take 3 days. Now before the job has started, then only one person fell ill. Now how many workers are there? Only one, because one is ill. Now how many days it will take? That you have to find. Second part, how many persons would be needed to fit the window in 1 day? Now though, if suppose the owner said no, I want the work to be done fast, it should be done within 1 day. Now how many days? Only 1 day. Now how many workers should be there? So x1, x2, x3. Suppose there are x3 workers. So first you will find y2 comparing these two, and then you will find x3 by comparing, either you can compare with this or you can compare with this. Question number 11. A school has 8 periods in a day of 45 minutes duration. Okay, like you were also having 40 minutes duration, each period was there. Now how long would each period be if the school has 9 periods a day? Now if suppose they want to increase the number of periods, so how many, what will be the time duration for each period? Assuming the number of school hours to be same, suppose the school timing is same. Okay, so now earlier there were 8 periods and the duration was 45 minutes. Now if they want to put 9 periods, the time duration they have to decrease. Okay, because the school timing is fixed, the working hours of the school is fixed. So now they want to increase the number of periods, so minutes they have to decrease. It is inversely proportional. The missing value is y2, y1 and y2 is missing. So find out from here.